Hi there, it's a final video in our review of our trig. This is the law of sines, using it to find a missing angle. Here we're asked to find angle C. So remember that when we use this, we're going to use the sine of the angle over its corresponding side, and then the sine of the angle over its corresponding side. And I'm obviously grouping side A with angle A, and I'm grouping side C with angle C, and I don't care about angle B or side B at all because they have nothing at all to do with our problem. So we take and plug in. Now notice that I put the sine of C on top because that's what I'm looking for, and it makes our work so much easier if we do that, if we put that on top. Before we get to our calculator, make sure that you have it set to degrees because it will not work if you have it in radians. We want to get the sine of C by itself. It's being divided by 9, so we can multiply both sides by 9. And we have the sine of C equals all of this. Now, for those of you that don't have a calculator handy, you can leave your answer just like that. But I do have a calculator, so I don't have to do that. So we can do this all at once. So I can do this 9 sine 101. We need to make sure that we close those parentheses because the calculator does not understand if you don't close those parentheses. That's going to give us a value less than 1. So now to find out what our angle is, we're going to do the inverse sign of that number. So angle C is sine -1 of that value. Don't forget to round to at least 2 decimal places, but the easiest way to get this answer is to do second sine of our previous answer by doing second -1. And we'll get our answers about 16 degrees. Now let me double check because I'm not quite sure why. Oh, it did sine -1 twice. So we actually are going to find out that sine in our next unit. There's some special values that we can have for sine and cosine, and it's pretty cool. So here is our final video dealing with our review of the law of sines and the law of cosines. As usual, don't hesitate to reach out to any one of us for questions about the homework or about any of the videos that we've made. Khan also has some videos that we will hopefully have available to you, and I hope that you are enjoying any beautiful weather that we may have. Make sure that you get out and get some exercise. Make sure you socially distance yourself from other people so that we don't have to spread this. Thanks, and have a fab mundo day.